So let's get started. Welcome to your first tutorial on how to build a DRRR bot. And so first off, I'm going to explain to you what my bot does. My bot has actually 6 different types of functionalities. The first functionality it has is being able to DM the bot and get a DM in return. And so let me show you guys. Okay, so let me show you how to use this bot. My bot has 4 different commands. Wait. And my bot has 4 different commands, and the first command right here, called pray, has the functionality of, pray, has the functionality of receiving a DM. Let me show you how it does. So it's like chozuya. Oh wait. My inu, and then shrine. Yes. Okay, so as you can see here, you can DM the bot right here and write wish I want to be happy and healthy, like that. After DMing the bot, you can get a DM in return. That's the first functionality of this bot. The second functionality of this bot is I'm able to append images, as you have seen before. Like, for example, Omamori right here. This functionality allows me to append an image. And right here, if I choose health, I get an Omamori for health, and the image is appended to my message. And then the third one is that I am capable of using SQL query and using a database. And this is, let me show it to you with Omikuji. Oops. So with Omikuji, you can type in shake, and it will give you some data from the database. So right here it comes with this message that is actually from a database, so it's connected to a database that is actually right here called SQLite, like MikoBot SQLite right here. And I can show you the database. It's like, wait, DB. So, I can show you the database just to let you guys see how it works. Oh no, I think I forgot to say, record myself. But never mind, we already started anyway. That's just, maybe I'll make a new recording later. So, let me see. My DRRR bot. This is the database, okay? And if you browse data and look under Omikuji, you'll have these 224 different Omikujis, or fortune readings, right here. So this is my database. And after this, we have another functionality, which is being able to display action message. As you can see here, when I call my database, this action message appears. Okay? And it also has spam protection. So if I spam this bot like too many times in 1 second, it shouldn't be able to, okay, let me just show you. Let me just copy this. So if I spam this bot too many times, it shouldn't let me. It should only give, like, I spammed it twice, but it only gives me a message. So in 1 second, I set the timer to 1 second, and so if you ping it too many times within that 1 second, it would only give you one message in that 1 second, okay, instead of many messages in a queue. Alright, the last one, the last functionality I have is called Emma. And with this Emma, you are allowed to write a message on a wooden plaque. So, write, I wish I want to grow taller. Okay, and so this wish should show up, and you can write the message on your, what do you call it, on your Emma. So basically, this is what my bot does. So, today's purpose is to teach you how I built this bot. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message, like on Discord or something, so I can know that, hey, there's a question you have, and I can look at it.